Have you ever wondered how many SIM cards are registered under your name? Or worried that someone might be using a fake SIM linked to your identity? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to check all SIM cards active under your name using the Sanchar Sathi app, and how to block any unknown numbers in just a few taps. First, you need to install the official Sanchar Sathi application on your phone. Go to the Play Store and install the application. After installing the application, open it and choose your preferred language. After selecting the language, tap on Explore on the welcome screen. Now, to register, click on Proceed. To verify your mobile number, an SMS will be sent. Click on Proceed and continue ahead. On the next screen, enter your name and tap on Register. After this, an SMS will be sent to your mobile number and your number will be verified. Once the mobile number is verified, you will be successfully registered on the Sanchar Sathi app. Now, through the Sanchar Sathi app, you can check how many SIM cards are active under your name. If any fake or unauthorized SIM card is active in your name, you can also get it blocked. To see how many SIM cards are active in your name, tap on the option No Mobile Connection in your name. On the next screen, you will be able to see all active mobile numbers registered under your name. If you feel that any mobile number does not belong to you and you want to deactivate it, then select that number by ticking the box in front of it and choose either Not Required or Not My Number and press OK. As soon as you click OK, your request to deactivate the selected mobile number will be submitted, and you will also see a request ID on the screen. You can use this request ID to track your request. To track it, enter the tracking ID in the Track Your Submitted Request section and tap on Track. After this, you will be able to track your request. The mobile number you reported will have to go through the verification process again, and until then, its services will remain suspended. If you think that you mistakenly reported your own mobile number, there is no need to worry. Your mobile number will not be deactivated. Within a few days, you will receive an SMS from the telecom company stating that you need to re-verify this mobile number. You can complete the re-verification online using your Aadhaar card. You can also do the re-verification through the Jio or Airtel applications, where you will get a notification that your number is pending for re-verification. Apart from the Sanchar Sathi app, there is also a website where you can see all active SIM cards in your name and report unauthorized or unwanted SIM cards to get them deactivated.
Next, see how you can complete Jio SIM card re-verification online using your Aadhaar card.